Symbud Myntri Rangbah ba Prestone Tynsong ha kasni Balang ula Kyntait ya jingdawa ban synshar no da administrator ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council haba pynpaw ba jingpynjlan ya samoi treikam ka GHADC kadai namar ka jingdonkam ban pynkylla ya AD rules hadien ba mi ka jingkulmar ba pyrshah ya jingioh iashimbynta ki jylla ha election ka council Kadkum kajing ong jong u lada ka sarkar ka thung daw administrator ban synshar ha GHADC new administrator udan da upod ha ka jing treikam but omdan ru manu bala panwanra ni pynkylla ya AD rules lan no tang ka yeng dorbar thawan jong ka district council ka badan kam ya kinomi khmat bala jet daw pajba Ulo ang badai ka ni ka jing ba ka sarkar kam ban se ban pynjlan ya ka samoi treikam ka yeng dorbar thawan ka GHADC Halor ka jingshna ila ka jong ka electoral roll ka GHADC uba Prestone ulo ong ba ka delimitation committee kadang le ek ni ka kammenta haba pintip ba ka sarkar ka labtha ba kan pindep ya ka ni ka kam hapo ka lai benai.
If you say you don't have to extend the administration of the district council in the form of the public representative, let me tell you one thing. If the government take over, we call it administrator. If administrator is appointed, there is a limit for the administrator to pass the bill, because this links to the amendment of the rules, amendment of the act. So therefore, let me tell you one thing, they cannot just talk that way, because this is purely the issue of regulation, the issue of amendment of rules and regulation. There is nobody who can do that except the House inside the district council. So therefore, taking into consideration with these challenges we have, we are bound. That's why government has to extend the House for 6 months, so that within this 6 month period, they will be able to take it inside the House, take a decision and make it amendment. The delimitation committee is on the job and they are on the job, so I have no information yet. But in the order, we have already told them that you have to complete this process within 3 months' time.